Hello viewers, welcome back. This video is a part of MongoDB Crash Course series. Till now if you haven't watched previous MongoDB videos, please watch them and then continue from here. In this video we are going to learn about count and distinct queries. Before starting them, till now if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe our channel and enable the bell notifications. So let's start the video. First of all, open Studio 3D on your computer. Studio 3D interface will be in this way. On the top left corner, you will find connect button. Click on connect. Connection manager will be opened. Click on test connection. Click on connect. Studio 3D will be connected to the cloud MongoDB Atlas database. Double click on the sales database. Double click on products collection. So it is the data present in the products collection. Now let us learn about count query. Count query is nothing but it is used to count number of records which matches the given condition. So let's go through some examples. First query, find total number of products. So in order to find total number of products, just after the find query, enter .count, open and close bracket, control plus enter. Here you will find 300. So there are total 300 number of products in this products collection. So .count is a query to count the number of records which matches the given condition. Second query, find the total number of products which are out of stock. So remove this count. Actually it is our data. Now we need to find out total number of products which are out of stock. That indicates in stock is false. These are the products which are out of stock. Now we need to find the count of them. .count. Click on control plus enter. Here you will find 146. So 146 products are out of stock. Third query, find the total number of products which belongs to clothing category. So remove the previous query. So it is actual data. Now we need to find clothing category related total number of products. So first of all, category clothing. These are the products related to clothing category and find the count of them. There are 52 products which belongs to clothing category. Next query is find total number of products which belongs to category home using regex and brand IKEA having rating greater than 4. Category home, brand IKEA having rating greater than 4. First of all, see the actual data. Now using regex find category clothing. Enclose CLOT under slashes after slash and enter I for case insensitive matching. Next brand IKEA. Brand IKEA, find enter, and these are all the products which related to category clothing, brand IKEA. And one more thing is having rating greater than 4. So rating object $GT and 4. Control enter. So these are the products which belongs to category clothing, brand IKEA, rating greater than 4, and find the count of them. So there is only one product which belongs to clothing category and brand IKEA having rating greater than 4. So it is how you need to find the count of your required products or required result matching the given condition. Now let us learn about distinct query. Distinct query is used to find unique values of a given field. So let us deep dive into them. Let's take an example. Find the total unique categories and count of them. So now we need to find total unique categories. Then remove this find query, type distinct, under distinct, enter field name, category. Click on control plus enter. So there are total 7 categories. 0 to 6 indicates 7 categories. And they are books, clothing, electronics, fitness, home decor, stationery and toys. These are all the distinct which are unique categories present in this products collection. So here you can change the view as JSON view also. So these are all the unique categories. Now without saying them, we need to find the total unique categories. Now we can combine distinct plus count to find the total unique values of a given field. Now after distinct query, enter count, control enter. Then you need to use .length query to find the total count of distinct results. After distinct query, enter .length. So here you can see 7. So there are total 7 distinct categories. Next query, find the total unique brands and their total number. So it is our actual data. Now we need to find distinct brands. It indicates unique brands. So distinct brand. So these are all the distinct brands present in this collection. Now find their total count. Then we should use the query .length. So here there are 10 unique brands in this products collection. Now next query, find all unique categories which are out of stock. So we need to find the distinct categories where stock is 0, which is stock is out of stock. Now here we need to use matching condition and combine with distinct query. Now enter distinct category. So these are all the distinct categories, but we need to match the condition which is stock must be 0, which indicates stock is out of stock. Then after category, comma, enter an object. In that, enter the field name, which is stock quantity 0. Control click enter. So these are all the unique categories where stock is 0, which indicates they are out of stock. Last query of this video is find unique products which has reading in tag. So here there is a twist. I will show you what it is. First find all the products. Here query is to find tag which contains reading in it. First of all, where is the tags? Here tag is array of values. Here you will find rectangular braces. Double click on it. Then it will be expanded. Here you can find there are 0 to 2, which indicates 1, 2 or 3 tags in this tag field, like sports, gifting, exercise, in this way. To go back, double click on the products. So we need to match the condition in the array. Now in order to do so, remove find, enter distinct. We need to find distinct products. So distinct of name, and matching condition is tags, and just directly give the value as reading and enter. So these are all the product names where reading is a tag of it. So in this way, you can find total count of products with given matching conditions, and you can find total distinct number of products and distinct number of categories, anything as you desire. So not only just watching to this video, but also please try to practice each and every query which we discuss in this video, and try to explore more by practicing more queries. Like think of playing with the given data. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Till now, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and enable the bell notifications so that you will be notified whenever we post a new video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please enter them in the comment section. Please share this channel among your friends and your college groups so that we'll get more reach, and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you for watching.